My name is Adam Schaefer and I'm the president of SureFiber. Today I want to show you guys a tool on our website at surefiber.net called the Ping Viewer. I have it up on my screen here. I'm going to take you through it in real time. This was something that a intern of mine wrote, Joshua. Thank you, Joshua, for this. And this is a cool, simple but useful tool when troubleshooting the path that an ICMP is taking through a firewall, through routers, and through a network, ultimately out to our test server here. It helps troubleshoot some of those issues. Again, very simple tool, but I find myself using it occasionally if I'm trying to get ICMPs through a firewall. It gives me a destination to actually see that the ICMPs are making it to the other side. So anyway, let's dive in and check it out. If you want to follow along, go to surefiber.net and go to the Tools section and look for Ping Viewer. When you're on the page, it's going to look something like this. My descriptions here might change over time, but you see the tool, it's just embedded in the website here. We have a filter. You can filter by IPv4 and IPv6. There's sequence ID information, length information you can filter on, and so forth. That's the system. We'll start seeing ICMP messages showing up here in just a bit. Right now, though, I'm going to bring up our ICMP window, or our terminal console window here, and we're going to go ahead and ping it, and I'll show you what that looks like. Before I do that, though, essentially what you're going to do is send the ICMP from your network, right, through your firewall, through whatever other hops are in between there. The message is going to be seen on the other side, and it's going to be reflected in this window, and then it's going to make its way back to you. So even if your client is not seeing the ICMP message return with the round trip time, you can use this ping viewer to know that the packet has at least made it to its destination, and it's just a matter of it coming back. And again, that could be firewall rules, state tracking on a firewall, could be a router ACL somewhere in the path. This will help you, track that issue down. So anyway, here we go. I'm going to ping, and I can ping with IPv4 or IPv6. This is enabled for both. Ping-4, and we're going to ping pong.surefiber.net. Isn't that a clever name? So go ahead and ping it, and you can let it run just a couple times. I'm actually going to cancel it, and you can see here we have the host that is targeted. You see the round trip time. I'm going to go ahead and clear that and jump to the window. And since this is a Unix system we were pinging from, it sequences from 1 up through. Standard length of the packet is 64 bytes. And yeah, there you see the ICMP message. So that's with IPv4. I'm going to actually jump back here and just ping-6 pong.surefiber.net. And you're going to see the same type of thing. We'll go ahead and stop that. You see the ICMP messages from IPv6 come through as well. Obviously IPv6 format. We can remove IPv4, we can remove IPv6, remove them both really, and filter here as well. A lot of times other people are pinging this and you'll get a lot of noise here, so if you wanted to filter and put just your IP address in, you can certainly do that as well. Anyway, there you have it. That is the Ping Viewer. I have some other documentation or other notes and comments in the video description of this video. Of course, if you have questions, comments, tips, even if you have some feature enhancement suggestions, go ahead and drop them in the video comment section. Always love to hear from you guys. With that being said, though, that's Ping Viewer. Hopefully you found this helpful. We'll see you again soon.